laboratory grinding mill. Let's go and have a look. Today we introduce you our 0.6 liter grinding mill. It is very mini. Please look at here. This is our chamber for the laboratory mill. It's only in 0.6 liter volume. So the medium inside is only just can be using from 0.6 to 1.2 millimeters, and only maybe for example just have 500 grams. You can see our motor, it is 1.5 kilowatt. It is in ABB explosion proof motors. And here, this is the tank volume in 2 liter. It's just that you can get your emulsion products directly pouring to this tank. Then our pump will be pumping these products into our chamber. Then discharging will be outside from to this tank again. So it will be do circulation on the tank. And this is our temperature transducer. This is our pressure transducer. So inside of this one, all these chambers are very easy to get it disassembled and very easy to do the clean. Inside we will be having the pin type. Okay, that's all. If you interested about us, please follow us. Paint and chemical machine.